This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening the Quick Settings panel. This gives you immediate control. Once done, scan the icons for the airplane or flight symbol. That's the toggle you'll change. If the icon isn't visible, open Settings and search for airplane or flight to jump straight to the control. Doing this avoids tapping through unrelated menus and saves time while you get ready to re-enable radios. Now toggle flight mode off by tapping the airplane icon. You'll often see cellular and Wi-Fi icons return after 5 to 10 seconds. If you use Settings, flip the switch and watch the status text change from on to off to confirm. Make sure to re-enable Wi-Fi or mobile data manually if they don't resume automatically, because some phones keep radios disabled until you explicitly turn them back on. This ensures full connectivity restoration. Finish by verifying service. Look for signal bars, Wi-Fi SSID, or load a web page to confirm connectivity. If radios still seem dead after toggling, restart the phone. This often resets hardware radios. Make sure the SIM is seated correctly if cellular won't return, and as a last resort, reset network settings, which clears saved networks and VPNs but typically fixes stubborn radio issues. If problems persist, contact carrier support for a possible provisioning or SIM replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.